Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. I'm super excited to have you all here joining me. And as you guys know, the year is coming close to an end. You know, the markets are still kind of stabilizing. They're still slow. Not a lot of news coming out or anything like that. But, you know, either way, if you're new to the family, welcome. You know, maybe you've been struggling with trading. Maybe you've had a hard time becoming consistently profitable. Whatever the case is, I want you to know that you have a community here you can count on and welcome you to the channel. So welcome, guys. My name is Pedro and we do live Forex trading, guys. And like I said, yeah, feel free to join the family and tune in, guys. Like I said, we're here consistently and lots of stuff in store for 2023. So I'm super excited to have you guys. And so yeah, guys, we're gonna get started here. We had a little bit of technical difficulties, but it seems like we've got everything kind of lining up here, so we should be good. Let me know, guys, down below if you're able to hear everything. We're gonna wait for a couple more people to join in as well too, but we should be good now in terms of volume. Perfect. Seems like everything's good on this end. I'm just gonna update the video settings as well, and we should be good. Awesome. Perfect. Everything looks good. I reset my computer. Everything was good. Perfect. Beautiful. We're just gonna wait for a couple more people to join in. And like I said, guys, what a journey it's been this year, 2022. Such a blessing. God's been good. And yeah, super excited to have all of you guys tuning in. Also, I'm gonna put all the links in while we wait for more people to join in. So I'm gonna put our free Telegram group link as well. Should be pinned it to the top. Awesome, guys. So we're waiting for a couple more people to join in. Now we should be good, and then we'll get started shortly, guys. Awesome. Okay, so this looks good, guys. Awesome. I know that we had a couple people join in right away. Now we're having some perfect. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna start, and I'm gonna wait for more people to join in, and then we'll kind of get started there. I'm gonna share it to the Telegram group as well. If you haven't joined the Telegram group, guys, I'm telling you guys have to check it out. Make sure you guys check that out as well. Our amazing community on there, guys, on our Telegram group. Second here. Okay. Perfect. Hey, we got Tom. Let's go, Tom. Let's get it. Awesome, guys. Beautiful. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. You know, it went by really quick. We're already 28th. I can't believe that. Time flies. Hope you're doing well, Tom. Happy to have you here. Yeah, we were having some technical difficulties, but it seems like I got the settings all set up. So we should be good. Lots in the works for 2023, guys. I'm super excited to share with you guys all the ideas I have in place for the channel. So, and you guys know, got the tea as always. Let's go. This time I'm going nice and calm. I got the chamomile tea. Not going as hard as last time. So yeah, guys. Okay, so guys, we're gonna dive in deep, and like I said, for all the new members that are tuning in, if it's your first time, welcome to the family. Don't be shy, guys. Comment in the chat box. That's what it's for there. We also now have super chat, which is sick. We have super stickers as well, so go and check that out in the super chat, guys. Go and check it out. Go play with that if you want. And we've got, what do we got? Let's go. We got all the links there set up too. All the links are in the video description as well, guys. So if you want to check that out, that's all there as well. Let's get it. We got Kennedy. Let's go. Good morning. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna dive in pretty deep, and obviously we know that in terms of news, if we look at news, we don't really have much to look forward to, other than I think Friday we have some US news you could see here, but this is like, you know, not as significant, and typically I don't trade on Fridays, but again, that's just part of my trading plan. Again, right, you could trade Fridays if you want, but I do find that when I trade Fridays, price doesn't really it doesn't really go too well for me in that sense. So I just like to kind of stick to my trading plan. It's something that, you know, as a trader, you decide and you make that decision, and you do what works best for you. Right? Some traders don't trade Wednesdays or Mondays, whatever the case is. But let's take a look, guys. Let's see what we're looking at here. So right now we're looking at gold overall, and kind of what I'm seeing, guys, to be honest with you, overall with gold is, remember what I told you, we weren't going to be looking for a upwards push right away, right? We could see that we were in this nice kind of downwards channel. We broke out, and right now we've kind of stalled out. So at this point, what I'm anticipating is probably gold at some point to actually reject this level, because it's struggling to break above it clearly, which is kind of the current high of this range. And so this tells me that, you know, maybe price is struggling to break above, or we could anticipate some sort of a potential breakout, right? But if we narrow this down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that yes, we are in a nice clean range, right? We can see that this is the highs of the range up here. We've got the lows of the range down over here at around 1774. That's kind of my range, bottom range area here, between 1774 and 1780. That's kind of the bottom area, right? So again, we won't really see a breakout at this point, but even going up on the daily, what I'm seeing here is some sort of a potential, we can anticipate some sort of a potential pullback eventually. And to be honest, I could see gold potentially come back down to this lower level around the 1700 range. And even potentially retest a 1637 range area. Not right away, but this is something that we may anticipate. So, you know, this is, again, longer term, but depending on what we see price do, and if we see a break of these lows here, then we can anticipate a potential push to the downside. You know, kind of we could see that we are still, you know, creating higher lows, and, you know, price is still pushing to the upside here, but we are in this range. And let me just kind of clear this off here so you guys can see what I'm talking about for gold. Again, also the dollar does affect this, right? So what are we seeing for the dollar too? So we know that gold is ranging. And even right now, if we kind of clear the charts to start fresh, you know, what I see right away is bottom range here, top range here. Okay, we know the top range is a major level of resistance. Okay, and we're starting to see this huge, look at this huge wick rejection here, okay, with gold. And not only that, I'm starting to potentially see some sort of a ascending wedge. And again, that's kind of what I was seeing over here. But you could see clearly, look at this is a low, this is a higher low, another higher low, right? So it's just starting to form these higher lows, okay? And price is starting to reject this high, right? So it's starting to look like that nice clean ascending wedge pattern formation, okay? And we could anticipate some sort of prices coiling up, right? Some sort of a breakout, right? Could it be to the downside? Potentially, of course, guys. And this is what we go over all the time in our live streams. And I'm going to be right here with you guys. So now let's take a look at Dixie. Dixie, what's going on with Dixie? Well, we were trending to the downside for quite some time in this downwards channel. In fact, we caught an amazing trade setup, guys, that you guys took with me in our live stream, guys. You guys remember that when we traded the news and price went exactly as expected? We caught over like, it went over 180 pips. We caught over 180 pips, but it went over like 300 pips or something like that. It was crazy. We traded the news together, which was an amazing turnout. And but again, right, what were we doing? We failed to create what, a low here at this point, right? And so what this is telling me is that not only is the dollar kind of ranging sideways, right? We don't really see much movement here, obviously, right? The holidays. But what I'm seeing is that we're failing to create what? This new extra lower low, right? And so to me, seeing price fail to create a new lower low is telling me that there is a shift in the market for the dollar. Now, what I would say I would see probably is if we get a clean, strong momentum break, okay? Something like this, guys. A strong momentum break out of this range, okay? Probably retest these highs over here for the dollar. And then we wait for the retest, okay? We could anticipate a shift in the market completely, probably seeing the dollar come back up to these highs over here. But again, this is very, very hypothetical. We would have to wait and see what price ends up doing at the given time. But I may anticipate a push to the upside as opposed to a downside because, like I said, is we failed to create this new lower leg and this new lower low. So this tells me as a trader that I'm not looking for price to go any lower at this given time. You guys understanding that? We've got Lone Void. Let's go, Pedro. Well explained. Perfect, guys. Awesome. Beautiful. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. If you're new to the family, guys, I'm telling you guys are missing out. Subscribe, turn on your notification bells, guys, because we're going to turn it up 2023. And we got lots in store for you guys. You know, maybe you're struggling with your trading or you haven't become consistently profitable. It's all good. Trust me, I've been there myself. That's why I created this entire channel, guys. So welcome. Let's go. Let's see. Now, and again, I'm doing this live stream tonight just because it's nice and chill. It's a different type of vibe than in the mornings, right? Like obviously the market right now is not going to be moving as much. But however, this is good for educational purposes, right? What are we anticipating? What are we looking at, right? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much kind of what we're seeing here. Look at this, guys, USD JPY. I mean, I haven't even traded this at all, but it's just an analysis that I had. We could see that we were in this downwards channel. I wasn't anticipating it to come back up to this high, sorry. However, we failed to come back up all the way to this high over here. We did get that strong momentum. It did retest. We were anticipating maybe you know, a more complex pullback, which is it sometimes does happen with price. However, we didn't get that, so it's all good. But what happened is we were ranging, right? And that's why I highlighted this box here, is that I saw price range. Excuse me, we saw price range, and now what I'm seeing maybe for the USD JPY is let's see. Well, see, this is a level here. It's been ranging here 4 hour. Let's see the daily. I could see something. Let me clear the charts for you guys so you guys could see exactly what I'm looking at here, guys. Okay. Daily. Let's go. Okay. So what I'm seeing here, and we want to mark off our levels here. So main level I see here, number 1 right there, support for sure. And then another level I could see here on the daily is this level here. One sec. Let me address better. There we go. So let me go up to the weekly too and see what's going on here. Yeah. So check this out, guys. So there's still a little bit more room to the downside. This area here is previous level resistance, now future level support. You look over here, it's touched it multiple times. Look, resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay. So USD JPY still has a little bit more juice potentially to the downside. Not saying it's going to go to the downside, but potentially we could see even more of a retracement. However, we are at a major level of support. Okay, so if we look over here, this is a major level structure here. We got 132,900. We got here. Let me just clear this here. Yeah, we got 132,900. Okay, 130. Yeah, 131,900. 131,800 range. Okay, is a support level. It's a major support level. We got resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, and support. Okay. Now what I'm seeing is probably price may range within this area here. Okay. So we're coming up to this range area here. We may see it retest this low before it comes back up and retests these high, right? So this is the daily, right? So there's a lot of moves here that could happen, right? And price could just range for a while until it actually breaks to the upside. Who knows? Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Dollar obviously affects a lot, right? So we have to really see, right, what's going on here. So I'm not looking for buys yet on USD JPY. Why am I not looking for buys yet, guys? Because we still haven't broken on the 4-hour. What? Let me know in the chat box, guys. Why are we not looking for buys on USD JPY? If this helps. You guys see that? Is that clear? Does this look better? Crazy, right? When you're able to kind of scope it all out. Awesome, guys. Welcome to all of our new members. I see a couple new members, guys. Smash that like button for me, guys. Also, if you're new to the family, don't forget to turn on your notification bells and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. We got Lone Boy. Let's go. Yeah, learning a lot. Beautiful. Awesome, man. That's sick. Do you have a trade entries this week, Pedro, before your year ends? Nothing, my man. Nothing yet. To be honest with you, I'm just kind of coasting right now. Gonna start fresh. Probably gonna be back officially like our normal schedule. Probably January 9th. Yeah. Yeah. It's in a downwards trend. That's right. So what we want to look for buys until we actually break above it and create what? New high, right? Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. We've got Claudia here. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Beautiful. Okay, so that is basically what we're looking at, right? So we know that we're at this potential resistance area, okay? And if we want to look for buy opportunities, we need to wait for price to break above this resistance area, and then we can see for potential buying opportunities, right? Right? Okay, exactly. So obviously, and then we got loan, but yes, there's no volume right now. This is more like educational purposes, right? Let me know, guys, if you have any questions. Maybe you guys are new. You know what I mean? Maybe you don't understand it. Whatever the case is. Obviously, you know, trading requires a lot of knowledge to put in, right? You know, I've been doing it for 6 years. It takes a lot of time, right? So don't get frustrated if you know, you're still struggling, or you still haven't become profitable, or you're still trying to understand how the market moves. Trust me, it takes time, right? And it takes a lot of chart time as well too, guys. So you got to look at the markets over and over and over, and eventually it'll all just click. Trust me, it'll all just click. Okay. Let's move on. So right now I don't really see a trade again. Like I mentioned earlier, there's no entries for me. There's no volume yet. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so we got a couple more people commenting here. We got Kennedy. What's your overview on Euro JPY? I don't usually trade Euro JPY, but I have it here, and we'll take a look at it here for you now that we have it here. Yeah, so you had sells. Let's see. Let me just clear the charts because this was from before. Take a look at let's go even higher, like higher time frames. We need to understand where the market is right now, even on the monthly. Again, we don't do this all the time, but it's good to start even every day. Look at the daily. Every day, look at the daily. And then weekly and monthly is kind of like a weekly overview, okay? This is correlation USD JPY. Could be a possibility, yeah. I don't really trade this pair, so I wouldn't know, my man. But I think because of the JPY, that makes sense. Okay, so let's take a look here. On the monthly, what are we looking at here? We're definitely trending to the upside. We're coming, though, however, we're coming to a major resistance area here. Okay, major resistance area here. So, we'll go down to the weekly. We're starting to see a shift in the market here. What do I mean by that? Well, we could see one more leg to the upside like this for your JPY. Okay. Create some sort of a double top on the higher time frames and then break this low. Okay. Something like this, guys. Well, the daily. Yeah, that's the shift I'm seeing here, guys. Look at this. The daily time frame, right? So quite significant. Something like this. Maybe a more complex pullback. Retest these highs. Gonna knock off a lot of sellers. Something like that. Strong momentum. We're breaking potentially these lows. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really trade this pair, but this is kind of what I'm looking at overall, guys. Your JPY. Right? Resistance for support, breaking the level. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Give me one sec, okay? I'm just gonna read through here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Awesome. Guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Can we get it to 10 likes? Let's go. Get it to 10 likes, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at there. Let's look at our main pairs here because I'm gonna start clearing this off. This is all from what we used to do before, but I'm gonna clear it off, guys, because it's too much. Obviously, I don't look at all those pairs, but it's just my analysis overall. Okay. Let's clear the charts here. See this here? Just ranging. The range. I could see it come down probably to this lower level here. Could do something like this, guys. Watch this. Something like this. And then maybe it could come back down. Could be a possibility, right? So could go higher too, though. This is longer term. Look at the weekly, see? Something like this. This is the range. Yeah. It comes back up here, closes above, could be back into this range. But I don't know. I think it's still in this downwards kind of, you know what I mean? It's been trending to the downside for a while. Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Perfect. Got a couple new members joining. Awesome, guys. Welcome, 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 guys. Let's get it to 15 likes. Let's get this live stream up and going, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's move on. GJ. GJ. Lots of indecision in GJ. We've got Kevin. Welcome, Kevin. Let's go. This is the Lux Algo one. So this is the RSI. It's the RSI indicator. I find that this is the only really indicator I use other than just my moving averages, the 20 and the 50. But other than that, I don't really use them. But this is, you can find this one. It's free, guys. Lux Algo RSI. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what ends up happening, Tom. We'll see. We'll see. Because, yeah. Then GJ, let's see what's going on with GJ. GJ's been like crazy, man. It's been whack. It's crazy, man. So much indecision. To be honest, I still feel like I could see GJ, excuse me, come down to these lows here. Like 151, I would say like 151, 800. Sorry, 153, 800. Yeah, I could potentially see it. It's been battling this to go to the upside and it's struggling. This is super bearish here. It could come back down and retest. Look at this huge wick here though, but it doesn't matter. It could create the same thing, create a wick, come back up before it goes to the upside. You know, I'm gonna create a video on that, Kevin. I see, yeah, rejection. We got Kevin. Let's go. How to use the 20 and 50. Well, technically the 50 just helps you with overall direction. So short, like I'll create a video on it because there's a lot more to it. Like I have a strategy based off of that, and I share that usually with like my inner circle students in my VIP. However, I do want to create a video on just kind of explaining moving averages because I see like, you know, if you guys have any video ideas, let me know, because next year, 2023, God willing, my focus will also be in content, guys. I want to share with you guys my knowledge as much as I can. Obviously, you know what I mean? It doesn't mean I know it all or whatever, but, you know, I want to be able to create content for you guys so that you guys can rewatch, okay? And so I'm probably going to be creating a video on the moving averages for sure. 1 second here, guys. Give me 1 sec, guys. Yeah. Awesome, guys. We're at 10 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's get it to 15 likes, guys. If you enjoy these live streams, we've got 15 people watching, guys. Trust me, guys. Let's get it to 15 likes or we'll call it a night. Because, you know, I'm really trying to help you guys out here. 16 people here. Okay. Kevin, basically the 50 moving average, the way it works is the 50 moving average helps you understand the overall direction, right? And again, like I said, I'll create a video on it with going more in depth. It just helps you understand if we're trending to the upside or to the downside, right? So if the 50 moving average, in this case, it's obviously consolidating. We can see GJ is consolidating. However, if we go down to the 30-minute, you can see that, you know, if the 50 moving average is below price, okay, so these are the candles, right? If the 50 moving average is below price, we're in an upwards trend. If the 50 moving average is above price, we're in a downwards trend, okay? I hope you understand that. And then the 20 moving average, it just helps you, kind of blanking out here at this given time. The 20 moving average helps you with support and resistance areas. So you can see that obviously the 20 moving average is the last 20 candles of movement. And then you can see, you know, the 20 moving average touched here as a resistance area and reject, right? It came up here, went a little bit above, but it's still rejected, right? It's not a good example here. Let me give you a better example. There you go, right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Looks cleaner. Usually it's used as a support and resistance area. See, look right here. So we're in an upwards trend because the 50 moving average is below price. Look at the 20 moving average, right? The 20 moving average keeps holding it as a level support. Look, price came up, then came back down, and look, it held it as a level support. Price came up, look, strong momentum, then pulled back. Look what, held it as a level support. Price came up, and then what happened? Retested, and then it kind of broke below, and then it started to range. Okay. Okay, we go. We got Kennedy. Let's go. Nas, baby, on sell. Let's go. All right. We'll take a look at Euro USD. What's going on with Euro USD daily? So yeah, Euro USD, we may see it hold this level support. Could be a possibility. Could reject the 20 moving average here. 4 hour, we're just consolidating, so we're just kind of waiting for a potential breakout. It's very, very choppy, guys. I wouldn't trade Euro USD at all. Just ranging right now. Yeah, so we're stuck in a range. Odd USD, what's going on with Odd USD? Look, price actually went, look at my arrows. Look at that. Price followed through exactly as expected. Nice. Went down a little bit lower here, but you could see the overall kind of sentiment, like in the higher time frame, was the same. Okay. Pretty cool. Let's take off the moving averages. To be honest, with Odd USD, I could see it come back down to this lower level. Depends on the US dollar though, right? So that really depends a lot. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome to all of our new members. Let's go, guys. Nasdaq sells, yeah. Close below. Could see a pullback. Could see a pullback on Nas before it goes down lower. Oh yeah, she's got lots of room down here. GP1 for Nasdaq. Gold. Dixie. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Perfect, guys. Also, guys, if you're new to the family, guys, don't forget to join in our free Telegram. The link is in the video description, and also I put it in the chat box. So go check that out, guys. All right, guys, it's getting later already. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate you all, guys. All the links are in the video description if you guys are curious, to the website, my VIP inner circle, and all the other stuff, my broker and all that stuff, guys. Welcome to the family if you're new. And guys, I appreciate you all. I might do a live stream. Keep an eye out, guys. Make sure your notifications is turned on so you get notified every single time I'm live. And yeah, I'll maybe surprise you guys tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe. I know tomorrow I'm pulling out a video, so new video coming out tomorrow. So keep an eye out on that as well, guys. And other than that, guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing New Year's. If I don't see you guys again until New Year's. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. It's really, really slow. There's obviously no volume, not as much volume in the markets. And, you know, I mainly kind of just came on live just to come say hi, guys, keep you guys in the loop. And yeah, well, like I said, I got lots in store for 2023. And if you have any other video suggestions, maybe, you know, kind of like what Kevin was mentioning, you know, how to use the indicators, or maybe let me know, actually, before we call it a night, let me know, guys, what videos you guys would like to see. You know, if you want me to pull out a video explaining how, you know, how to trade gold, or like, you know what I mean, or how to use a certain indicator, or like whatever, you know what I mean, or how to look for support and resistance levels. If there's something that you're struggling with, let me know in the chat box below right now, or let me know in the comments after this live stream is done, right? And if you watch my other live streams, guys, or whatever, comment below. I love to hear all your comments all the time, guys. I do read every single comment. So guys, make sure you guys support as well too. So if you enjoy these live streams, please, guys, smash that like button and share this on your social media, guys. If you guys want me to keep doing these live streams, please support it by sharing, liking, and commenting, guys. But yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed it, guys, please share it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in, and I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.